Looking for the perfect pair of binoculars for your next adventure? Whether you're a nature enthusiast, sports fan, or a stargazer, we've got you covered. Eyes Telescope. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best binoculars available on Amazon, featuring the latest deals, high-tech optics, and unbeatable offers. Plus, we'll share some exclusive discounts so you can grab the best one at the best price. Money bag, fire. From compact travel binoculars to professional-grade zoom lenses, you'll find the perfect match for your needs. But wait, some of these deals won't last long. So, make sure to stick around till the end to find the best deal just for you. All right, let's dive in. Starting with number 5. Looking for a high-powered telescope that makes planets and deep sky objects crystal clear? We tested the 90mm aperture 900mm professional refractor telescope. And wow, check out these moon craters. Saturn's rings? Visible. Nebulae? Stunning. And with 450x magnification, a sturdy stainless steel tripod, and a smartphone adapter, you're all set for astrophotography. What's the best offer you'd take for this telescope? Drop it in the comments. Want to start your own astronomy journey? Grab yours today. Buy now. Link in description. Number 4. Want to explore the stars like never before? This 80mm aperture 600mm telescope is a total game changer. With a fully multi-coated lens, it gives crystal clear views of the moon, planets, and deep sky objects. With 24x to 180x magnification, you can see space in stunning detail. Perfect for beginners and pros. Plus, it's lightweight and portable so you can stargaze anywhere. Want the best offer on this amazing telescope? Check the link in the description. Number 3. Check out the ATN Blaze Seeker Thermal Monocular. Powerful, compact, and with 256/192 resolution for amazing night vision. Customize your view with 5 color palettes and capture photos or videos to store on a 256GB micro SD card. Up to 9 hours of battery life and Wi-Fi for easy sharing. Ready to upgrade your thermal vision? Click the link to get the ATN Blaze Seeker at the best offer for you. Number 2, check out this 16x52 monocular telescope for adults. With 16x magnification and a 52mm lens, you get crystal clear, high-definition images, even in low light. Lightweight, waterproof, and fog-resistant. This monocular is built for all your adventures. Looking for the perfect gift? Check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't miss out. Grab yours now. Number 1. Looking for the perfect binoculars for both adults and kids? Check out the US Camel 12x25 compact binoculars. With 12x magnification and a wide field of view, see clear, HD images up to 336 feet away. Lightweight and only 0.55 lbs, they're easy to carry on your next adventure, whether it's birdwatching, hiking, or even concerts. Comfortable for glasses wearers and kids, plus a durable non-slip grip. Want yours? Link in the description. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more cool gadget reviews.